get another one.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. That's not too bad, eh? Oh, it's not straight level. At all. I don't know what heavy it is. I'll just
Wait.
sometimes it just depends on how it goes up.
Epic solution, yeah.
I'll just record the whole session thingy just to see. Just make sure it's all even. Yeah, make sure all the flaps are the exact same.
I'll try that. This one.
This one?
Yeah.
No, outside. No, you can't have one.
Better. That's actually good.
Yeah, okay, time it. Time it, time it.
Right.
No, that's not level.
It's one of them's not going.
That's good. No, it's not straight level.
Right, start up from the ground again. Start from the ground, Louis.
They're not in range. Stop, mate. Oh, it's last time it just flew off.
Okay, go again.
It's very close to me. So not very close. That's not level at all.
You know, that's good enough.
I want to put level both.
It's fine, it's fine. Good. We'll make some adjustments and we'll let someone else test Louis. Louis, stop it, we'll make some adjustments and we'll let them test.
Let's do this. Try and get 3 runs done, even if it's not level. We'll do our 3 now, and if they're not.
I'm on it. Wait, do you guys want to quickly test?
Do you mind if we start 3 runs?
How?
No, just do it quickly.
Okay, we need to change the angle of attack on each one, right?
We need to do 6 trials, and that's what we
We need to do 6?
Yeah, we're doing 6.
Okay, just put it down and we'll do it. Doesn't have to be straight and level.
Yeah.
Where's my phone, mate? Oh, fuck! I didn't mean to.
You don't know?
I generally didn't mean to. Is that 1 plane or 2? Oh.
If I was running more trials, I got done.
We're gonna do our 3 and then that's it. I'm filming the whole time, so. Ready? 3,
I don't
2,
really
1.
know what I changed, but maybe.
You did something. Okay. 1. No. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5.
That was a good landing. Okay, we'll just do one more.
No, we'll do 2 more. 3,
Change
2.
the
No, we can't change it. After the 3
we
would
need
be.
to change the angle
you
of
know.
attack on each one. That's what the graph is.
Oh yeah, true.
Modifying the flap.
Planes. Predominantly. And record what you're doing between each one. Just tell Mr. Camera Boy.
No, we're just modifying the flaps on each one.
You ready? Get behind that camera. Yeah, 3, 2, like that. Okay. That's not good at all. That's really bad.
I'll get Dylan. I think you said
1.
get dinner. Oh shit.
1.
Might as well be on
2. 3. 4. 5. Oh, we'll do it now and see what happens. Oh, it's moving the thing. Look at the actual jig.
Yeah.
It's dancing.
That's good. We'll change one more angle.
No, fucking hell, mate. Stop. No, I said stop.
Alright, one more.
How scuffed is it getting on the side?
You try and learn to fly.
Fine.
Try and make it so it's a good angle to fly.
Wait, so like,
Just need to make sure that the wind is blowing. Press it once to see what you hold it, you press it once if the wind is blowing back here. So
No flaps.
No flaps at all?
Yeah.
Oh no, just say that in. I'm done. Oh, it's gonna leap on it.
Alright, stop it.
Stop her! Mate,
Pointing at them. Right, now you go.
that's good. That's rapid too. That's way faster.
Yeah, well, let's
One.
try.
1, 2, 3, 4. The thing's really dancing now. Look at that.
Alright, perfect. Done. Louis, we're done.
Why? Because the
All good now?
yeah.